Let's talk about flours to bake without blood sugar spike. Hey there, flour fanatics and carb-considered creators, bakers. You love it, right? Well, let me tell you, I have some good news for you today. I'm going to whisk through the world of diabetic-friendly flours that won't make your blood sugar bounce like it is on a trampoline. So buckle up for a pun-derful journey through the land of tasty alternatives. I'm Dr. Ergin. I'm a diabetologist and endocrinologist, and today I'm going to talk to you about these nice alternative flours. First up, almond flour, or should I call it the nutty professor of the flours. This brainiac is not only low in carbs, but also has a PhD in deliciousness. It is so versatile, you would think it was doing yoga. Whether you are baking a pie or thickening a sauce, almond flour has got you covered or coated. Now, let's get rooted in reality with Arrowroot Flour. Have you ever heard of that? Arrowroot Flour. It is the Robin Hood of thickeners and always hits the spot and never steals from your health. It is gluten-free and easy on blood sugar, much like our boy Robin was with the riches. Time to dig up some fun. Also with cassava flour. That's an undercover agent of the flour world. It is so similar to wheat flour, you could sneak it into any cake and no one would know. It is the James Bond of gluten-free options, minus the car chases and explosions, of course. Now, coconut flour is the next. That's coming in like a tropical breeze on a hot day. A little goes a long way, making it the economical eco warrior of your pantry. Just be ready. It is thirstier than a tourist in the desert, so keep liquid coming. How about tapioca starch or flour? Is the life of the party. It makes everything lighter, fluffier, and ready to dance on your taste buds. It's great for thickening. It puts the ooh in the smooth, making your sauces and gravies irresistible. Just try to keep your composure. Lastly, but not least, green banana flour. Don't slip up and underestimate this unripe champion. It is like the superhero of resistant starch and ace up the sleeve for those looking to manage their glycemic index without sacrificing taste. No, cape not required. So, there you have it, folks. 6 sensational flours that won't make your glucose gallop. Remember, managing diabetes can be a piece of cake. Well, a piece of cake made with these diabetic-friendly flours, that is. Until our next culinary caper, keep your mixer spinning and your blood sugar grinning. And before you sift away from today's flour power lesson, don't forget to sprinkle a little extra sweetness into your life. Not the kind that spikes your blood sugar levels, but the kind that feeds your soul. Be nice to everyone. So, visit SugarMD.com also while you're at it, and you can snag a copy of my latest culinary creation, a diabetic diet book that is sugary in spirit, but not in glucose. It is jam-packed, sugar-free of course, with recipes that will tickle your taste buds without playing tug-of-war with your pancreas. See you there for a page-turning feast that is as delightful as a sprinkle of cinnamon on a warm, toasty morning. Best of all, guys and girls and ladies, it is free of charge. Don't forget to hit that like if you love this video, if you love these flours, and say something about it. Tell us your experience. You want to hear more? Subscribe for more delicious content and ring that bell so that you don't miss out on our next video. Over and out. See you later. Hey guys, I hope you're enjoying this channel so far, and I hope you subscribed already. If you didn't, do it. And if you did, watch this video right there. I think that will help you too.